Look at these pictures. A picture is equivalent to 1,000 words. Foods rich in fat have to be avoided. A small cup of French fries gives 3 spoons of fat, each spoon around 5 grams. So 15 grams of fat here, each gram of fat is roughly 10 calories, that is 150 calories. This is a baked cake which contains 6 spoons equivalents of fat, which is 6 into 5, 30 grams of fat equivalent to 300 calories. This is a pie which has got added cream and added butter to that, and it is equivalent to 8 spoons of fat, which is 40 grams of fat equivalent to about 400 calories. All we need is around 13 to 1400 calories per day. If each of these foods can contribute to such a heavy amount of calorie intake, why not people become obese when they start indulging in foods like these? Look at the comparative fat content. This plate full of food containing vegetable burger, an apple, carrots, drumsticks and other green vegetables, and a cup of yogurt or curds, all those contain only 5 grams of fat, or which is roughly equivalent to 5 into 10, 50 calories. Whereas a non-vegetarian sandwich, French fries, chocolate and ice cream in this plate is equivalent to 10 spoons of fat, or 10 into 5, 50 grams of fat equal to 500. So, this plate is advisable. These types of food 10 times more fattier. So, it is imperative for us to understand what we eat and be choosy about the foods. This picture shows the crunchy, munchy, salty products. Beware of the extra salt in the ketchups, in the dressings, in the salt at the table, the cooking salts, in the samosas, in the cutlets, and in the popcorns, French fries and fried items and noodles. All these things have added salt. This added salt throws strain not only on the kidney, but increases the hypertension, increases the insulin resistance. Some examples of fatty products: rich non-vegetarian fatty products, chocolate cookies, cream biscuits, pastries and cakes with lot of icing, mayonnaise, so many other foods, similar foods which are heavy fat products. They contain lot of saturated fat and must be avoided. The non-vegetarian products, though they contain good amount of protein, certain of them, particularly the fat-laden meat, other things, they add to the extra calories in the form of saturated fats. So, one has to be careful in choosing the non-vegetarian products as far as their intake of fats is concerned. Of course, the evil spirits. These spirits are evils, particularly to the liver. They damage the liver. Not only the non-alcoholic fatty liver the patient is having due to his metabolic profile, now if he is also having alcohol, he will have alcoholic fatty insult added on to the liver, which will precipitate fibrosis and cirrhosis in quite short a time. So, it is imperative that all patients of NASH particularly must avoid evil spirits or these alcoholic drinks. This picture shows the healthy foods that are not having fat, and then they are very rich in fiber, very rich in minerals, particularly calcium and iron. They are welcome and should substitute the other types of dangerous foods which we have seen in the previous slides.